I'm going to make the puddles go so high that they're going to get wet. They're going to be at the bus stop sucking on lollipops, and they're about to feel the wrath. You feel me? So listen, the thing is, when it rains, it's been raining for 5 days, you take it out on people. You just hit any puddle that you know is going to get them wet. I don't care how close you got to get to that puddle. Make sure it destroys them. Oh my God, that was a big one. Oh no. Feel the wrath. Feel the wrath. This could be awesome. This is so cool. Oh my God. Take that, bitches. Next time, don't ride the bus. Don't ride the bus that time.